Hi there, and welcome to the Cloudy Council Training Academy. Today we are going to be looking at best practice for building your agenda packs and setting security labels when sharing documents that will enable you to set specific controls over certain information. Starting in SharePoint, you'll find your Microsoft Teams locations. Today I will be using Full Council as an example. As you can see here, I've already started building the folder structure. I'm now going to add 2020. And within this folder, we will create subfolders for each month. To keep these folders in order, we will letter them. Next, in each of these subfolders is where we will upload the agenda pack. I will also create an extra folder for supporting documents. Now that we have created the folder structure for our agenda packs, we are going to look at setting securities on documents. As you can see here, using sensitivity labels within a Word document enables us to set specific policies on documents. For example, we can set specific information within a document to not be visible after a certain date. We can also prevent the ability to screenshot the document or to print the document. Documents can also be set so that they are not available after a specific date. By using labels, we can also set these permissions for different groups of people. For instance, you could set it so that people within the council are able to access certain information and print certain information, whilst people within the general public would not be able to print or screenshot the document and may only be able to view specific information that you set. Once we have created the document and set security labels where required, we can upload the document into our created SharePoint folder. If you are not using the Cloudy Council Meeting Management app as covered in a previous video, we will now show you how to share the agenda pack with your fellow councillors. Locate the folder you want to share and click on the share icon. By clicking at the top, we have some additional settings. In this example, we're going to allow anybody with the link to be able to view the documents and the folder. You do have the option to restrict access to a specific group of people. For instance, people that are only within the council. I've selected anyone with the link. I'm going to untick allow editing so that people cannot edit the documents within the folder. And I'm also going to set an expiration date so that after the date of a meeting, people will not be able to view the documents any longer. Click Apply and type the name of the committee you wish to share the agenda pack with. Click Send. We should now see that the agenda pack has been shared within Teams under the Full Council Committee. You will also notice that every member within the Full Council Committee on Teams has also received an email with a link to the agenda pack. Another example for sharing agenda packs would be if you wanted to share them on your website or social media. Here we will show you how to get a shareable link. Click the drop down and you can select who to share the document with. I'm going to leave anyone with the link ticked. We have the option to stop people from editing the document, so I'm going to untick allow editing. And I'm also going to set an expiration date so that people cannot access the document. You will be provided with a link that can be shared on your website, social media, or pasted into an email. We hope this video has assisted you in gaining an understanding of setting security policies around documents and sharing them effectively with your council. We would like to advise that this method of sharing agenda packs does not create an entry in your staff and councillors' online calendar. For this, why not have a look at part 1 of this video series that covers our new and exclusive Council Meeting Management app, offering a full and automated way of creating meetings and sharing agendas with your council. As always, if you need any further assistance with anything covered in this video, there is always somebody on our support desk ready and waiting to help.